get some. Alright. Hopefully I don't destroy the chronograph. Going to slow-mo. Got a reading. 283. Not anywhere near where I thought it was, but I didn't destroy the chronograph. I don't know where it went though. I didn't hear it hit. I don't see a hit on this stuff, on the metal, so it may have gone over. I'll need to look at that camera, I guess. It may have gone over. I'll need to look at that camera, I guess. Close the gap another quarter of a turn. Looked high. Let's see if we can get a hit now. And we got a foot per second. $268. That's down from 283. Right there. Don't see it. Guess it didn't come all the way through. Guess it hit that. Yeah, that's right behind that plastic. But we got a hit. Bam. 87.5 pounds. 1400 to 1 mass ratio. We got a hit last time and a foot per second. Going slow-mo. Alright. I think that hit there. Yeah, that's pretty far off. I'll need to look at my sling or something. See what's going on. I was expecting a centered hit on that. 87.5 pounds, 1400 to 1 mass ratio, shooting a 1 ounce steel bearing. No reading. But we got a hit on something. Oh, right there. Sitting way to the left.